Chapter 20, Our Emotional World. Our emotional world is made up of feelings like happiness, anger, fear, and love that we experience every day. Understanding and managing these emotions help us live peacefully and build good relationships with others. Children, human nature has many sides. Sometimes we feel angry, sometimes we forgive easily. We might feel jealous or loving, selfish or helpful. These feelings are called emotions. Examples include anger, joy, sorrow, jealousy, disappointment, and fear. Coping with our emotions. Every person has emotions. It is important to balance our thoughts and emotions. For example, feeling sad when someone hurts us is natural, but we must control how much it affects us. Getting angry when something wrong happens is normal, but we must not lose our temper. If we think properly, we can control our emotions. This is called emotional adjustment. Why emotional adjustment is important? When we learn to manage our emotions, our personality becomes balanced, we understand others better, we can handle difficult situations calmly, we avoid blaming others unnecessarily using bad language or feeling jealous. We become happy and learn to get along well with others. Real life examples. Chaya and Meena both do well in studies. When the teacher praised Chaya, Meena got angry and stopped talking to her. Dinesh hid Manoj's pen and pencil. Later, he said sorry and promised not to repeat it. Sunita felt angry at her mother, but later understood her reason and calmed down. Awareness of our own flaws. Just as we know our talents, we must also know our weaknesses. Everyone has both good and bad qualities. We may be good at one subject or skill and not so good at another. Recognizing and improving our flaws helps us grow. We should help friends with their weaknesses instead of making fun of them. The emotion of anger. Anger is a common emotion. We get angry when things don't go as we wish, we feel insulted, we see others being treated unfairly. If we get angry too often or cannot control our anger, it affects our body and mind. We become short tempered and stubborn. We may hurt others and damage relationships. It can cause headaches, sleep problems, and tiredness. What we have learned: human nature has many emotions like anger, happiness, jealousy, and love. Balancing thoughts and emotions is important for a happy life. Emotional adjustment makes our personality better and helps us get along with others. We must know both our strength and our flaws. Controlling anger and negative emotions help us stay healthy and cooperative.